Hello friends, today I am going to give you deep knowledge about WordPress. Right now you can see in the market 70 to 80% website built in the PHP. Out of them 30 to 40% built on WordPress. WordPress is an open source software and CMS which allow you to build your own website. You can manage it from the admin panel. Now you can see why WordPress. So you can see this is a very powerful CMS. Admin can able to manage the data, content, media, everything very easily and smoothly. Second point is it's an SEO friendly. So whenever you want to promote your website, you can easily promote your website. SEO people can easily market it, and it's a business friendly. So any business or website you can use the WordPress for the business purpose. Now another point is it's an expandable. You can convert this WordPress CMS to an e-commerce platform or a forum or a social network site or any other way you want to promote it. You can create a booking engine too using the WordPress. So this is why we can choose the WordPress. Right now in the market you can see whatever the business website, e-commerce website built on the WordPress. So it's a very good opportunity for you guys.